Hello traders and welcome to live analysis with MINDBLOWING and yours truly, FX Trader. I'm here to help you becoming a better Forex trader. So very much welcome to every single one of you. Let's hope that the microphone's still on. Yeah, the microphone's still on. So welcome to another day in profits, eh? So today we basically need to, go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, oil, silver, whatever you kind of want to do today. Let me just do something here. Cool. So, how are you guys? Let me guys find you here on the chat. We have DFI. Hello everyone. Well, nice to have you here. So if you're new here, please raise your voice, come with your questions, and I will try to answer them as much as I can. We will have fun, have some engagement, and then see where it leads us to. So normally I'm supposed to be alive, an hour earlier, but today I had to do some family errands. So I guess you're all okay with that. Cool. Another thing that I just wanted to see around, but I can't, is how much profits were made today. And if I am to guess, I think I am roughly, give or take, at least overall 100 pips in profit overall on all orders, but we shall see. Hello, Lavender OTT. Sorry. Cool. Where do we start? Do we start with why we bought Aussie dollar? Do we start with why we bought a euro dollar? Do we start with why we bought pound dollar? Do we start with why we bought New Zealand dollar and why we are profit in all of those? Boom. So please tell me, people, what is your what is your pair you want me to cover? What is your favorite pair? Hello, Gandhi. Hello, Gandhi. Yeah, I don't know if you listen to me, Gandhi, but you should have reduced your risk right now. I was supposed to go and check how much profit I have. I'm supposed to do that very fast, but I can't think fast. That's the reason. So GU is just break even, so there's nothing there. New Zealand dollar has 40 pips. Aussie dollar has 18 pips. So 40, 18, and euro has close to 20. So what are we then? 60, 70 pips today. 70 pips today. Cool. Hello, Prince Well. Pound dollar. Let me change the topics and let's say plus 70 pips profit. Yeah, we'll call that. Cool. One question I have: how is to reconcile the bull market in gold with a worrisome Fed meeting in June? What if they taper bond purchases for power for gold? I do not at all whatsoever expect them to taper whatsoever in June. I will be so shocked at the fundamentals, Teddy. The reason why I don't think they're going to taper or anything close to that is because it's a June meeting. We're coming into summer. They need the market to move. They need the market to be alive and be at the market. To move the market, and when they're going to holidays, so I'm expecting either September or December for any talks or discussions around tapering. So maybe September is maybe the closest one that I think is most likely they're going to discuss it. December, they are kind of more talking more about it, and then maybe meeting, I guess it's February 2022, they are maybe reducing bond purchases. Yeah. Good evening, file time. I'm doing very well, Prince. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much. So today, 70 pips in profit. Fantastic. And then we take you in there. Boom. So I'm not worried at all whatsoever, kind of a thing. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it. I don't think about it even. Just because of the nature of the market. So I will be very shocked, and I think the market will also be very surprised if that happens. All right, we can go through GU. Currently on GU, we have weekly. We have buy. I would call that a stop at least, or a stop and wait. So currently it's kind of, it's not great, but as long as it doesn't make a lower low, I'm cool, and hold 41, and I'm cool with that. I don't want it to go lower. So currently 41 is the hold, and we are looking for upside. But also we are, yeah, great trend, by the way. Not too bad, not too worse, and we are above the 55 EMA. Cool. We are, you know, trending upwards. I'm not going to make a channel for you. I'm just going to say, yeah, we're looking for the upside. It's still looking like upside, but I understand that this is kind of a pause where you have higher low, and then just on the same level, and that can signal some kind of weakness into the pound dollar. If you're looking into what the retail traders are doing, which normally lose money, they are on pound net short the pound dollar, so that would at least make me more interested in buying it, because a net short, they mostly lose money 90% of the time. That is great enough for me. For euro dollar, they are 63% short still. That is great. And for Aussie dollar, they are actually buying it. So they are on the clue train here, but I think they're going to be kicked out very time soon. Mostly because once we go higher, they start exiting their trades, and we are kind of range bound here. But yeah, back to pound. So yeah, increasing prices is kind of what I want to see. All right. Come on, guys. Is there only pound dollar do you guys like to talk about today? All right, cool. I guess that's the end of it then. If you're not kind, I'm gonna take away the lollipop from you. So what I basically did today, I called out my buy. I think it was around here somewhere, so around break even here now. Earlier today, then fell, then should have bought it, but I was in a meeting. Yeah, I was in a meeting here from 12 to 1, so could have taken it, but I didn't. Then it went higher, so yeah, that would be a much better deal there. Lucas Sulfrate says, dollar pairs, reloads, gold, what's happening? Okay. You know, be kind to gold, what's happening? Okay, cool. So, euro dollar, evidently this is a range. Everyone can see that. Everyone can see that this was the buy zone today. This was the buy zone the other time. And now we're just in the middle. This is not a buy, we can see that. But if we break this ceiling here, oh lordy, it's going to be fun. So, as long as we don't fall too much, this is going to be a higher low tomorrow. I am thinking of it as yes, we have stalled here. So if you take this one by, yeah. So should have a buy at around 122. That's just in the middle of it, but you know, what can you do? Taking it higher and kind of wait for a pullback, maybe after breaking this top. But I think if we break this top, I think we're gonna go fast, super fast. So whenever that happens, I think it's gonna be super fast. We can also start like consolidating more before breaking. That's also okay for me. But yeah. Of course, if we break 2160, that's death. I think you all now understand that if we break this low here, that is no longer bullish, and then whatever. You're long from 70, whatever, 70, I'm just gonna put you in there, 70, what, 77, 35? Ooh, that's late, but no, okay, cool, no, cool. What's my entry there? What did I enter? I didn't enter that good either today. Oh, you're just as good as me. Okay, cool. That is a good entry. We have the same entry, have fail time. Very good. Very good. Also, how are you? I have a gold buy at 1885. Next move. Happy Day says, bought in the buy zone. Sold at the top, looking to re-enter if the top breaks. Happy Days, I have absolutely no clue which pair you're talking about. I'm sorry. I do jump very fast, I guess, between pairs. So if you can please tell me which one it is, I would be very much happy. I just need to go into my Discord channel. I forgot to do that. Discord. The Discord? Yeah, the Discord. Discord channel, and then I guess that is that. No, that's not what I wanted. Hey. First man on the moon. And then Telegram group, for those who wants me to be in the Telegram group. I'm in a Telegram group, and it's not necessarily active in there, but you know, it is what it is, and that's how you guys want to communicate. Cool, that's where you find me on Telegram. Done. And then I need to take that away so nobody bothers me. And then Discord, quit, Zoom, quit. I quit. Cool. Where did you guys go now? Cool, there you are. USD. Okay. You what? Loopy, how was the YouTube member live yesterday? Can you give me a feedback on that? Would be great, by the way. How was yesterday's live? You bought in the buy zone, sold at the top, looking to re-enter if the top breaks. Okay, like out of scale of 1 to 10, how was it? Do you think? I guess 10 is impossible for me, but you know, I guess it works. Yeah. I was about to talk to you. So fell time. I don't know if you re-entered this price here. That should have been a good entry at 77.40. And then if you go down to smaller time frames, maybe if it breaks higher, comes back down again. So I would look for the 9 a.m. call here. Maybe we'll just rise from here. I don't have too much exposure on Aussie. But that's definitely some kind of bottom. So cool. The link doesn't work the second time. I don't know how that is possible, but I haven't done anything to it. Okay. I can try to help you right now. I don't know. Everyone would love that to see my live from yesterday. So let's do that then. YouTube, and then we can go to YouTube, and then here channel. Did you go through community? Did you go through this one? I'm investigating for you too. So, meet Kevin. Confronting something. Okay, cool. So, yeah, cool. That's done. Link from Discord. Yeah, it should be the same though. Okay. Even I get sorry something's wrong with that link. Okay, I will do it later. Not gonna bother you guys with this. So, what else? That's kind of what I'm expecting you to do. I'm expecting you to have an order in here if you're buying dollar. Somewhere in here. Somewhere like, I mean, that one, that high here. Draw down, cool, whatever. Doesn't make a new lower low. Makes a new higher high. Buy that one, buy that one, buy that one. Expect some pullback at 2 a.m. or 9 a.m. A bit afraid to increase my positions. Last time I turned up because I bought one too high. Okay, cool. Yeah. Also, it's only if you have. Well, don't worry then. Like, I'm not going to crucify you for not doing it. I'm just saying what you could do, and then there's up to you to take that into consideration if that is something you want to do. So yeah, cool. I know what I will do, but yeah. What's up, Mario? Cool. Good to have you back. Good to have you here. So this dollar pair has been range bound this morning. Now it's breaking higher. I would probably also put on some daily pivots just to see what kind of prices that would give us, just for the fun of it. No, nothing serious, but okay. 40. Yeah, I don't think that's a good price. But yeah, cool. This is the buy price area. Cool. Maybe come back down tomorrow again. Re-gauge, re-gauge, re-gauge. Cool. You're still watching to read. Okay. Okay, alright. Come for me, bro. I will make you a video. Don't worry. By what time? I don't know. I'm going into the most crazy week ever. But okay. I will try, bro. Okay, I will try. I will not let you down. People ask me for pivot points video as well, so I will not let you down. I will not let you down. Okay. Battery medium. I just realized I'm chewing gum. I don't like that. Of course I win. Okay. What else? Australian dollar, US dollar. Take away all the pivots. We are at least thinking we need to break this high. That's cool. That's okay. But we're still trying to buy as much as we can down here. And if it comes back down again, whatever. Target maybe 79 or higher, or either 79 or 80. Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah. 0.80, cool. I think that's okay. I'm content. I'm in stealth mode today. Today I'm so content today. So if something goes wrong, I am absolutely okay with it. Euro is maybe the one that has moved the best today. Yeah, everything is great. Targeting 123.50, I think it was 123 or 123.50. So what is my kind of deal here? My deal is weekly or monthly around 4th of June. If we hit weekly target on this week, I will take 30% off, I think, of Euro trades. I will then take 30% off at weekly, monthly for 4th of June, and I will leave 30% running. Hopefully to catch the rest of the move of the Prince Well says, can you please give us the settings for the pivots? What do you mean? Can you please elaborate? I understand what you mean, but I need to understand what you mean. You're clear, like the settings are still there. You just put them on and you're done, right? Like there's nothing weird about them. Pound dollar also in profit right now. We talked about earlier. Cool. So I feel like I'm maybe too fast through them. Maybe I'm done pound yen though. New Zealand dollar, same thing as US dollar and Australian dollar. Buying down here. I think I have an entry at around 71. 71.60? No. 71 somewhere here. Is that where I have entry? 71.75. Okay. So around here. So that is a double bottom, higher high, higher low situation. Then boof. Other than that, yeah. Catch a pullback next time. It's the range, but still. I will take it. Hello, Alex. So the settings that I have in my pivot points is very straightforward. Nothing. But the thing is that same as chart. So depending on which time frame on the chart you're putting, that will change. But I have daily, weekly, monthly after each other. Okay. That's the only settings that I did change. Took away OOP and OOP buy and changed bullish exit to this green thing at 35%. So you can redo, go back this video and bearish bullish exit and bearish exit. That's the only thing settings I've done differently. So that was fast. Cool. I'm so happy today. Like everything, I've slept well, I have rested well. You guys are happy. You guys aren't complaining or nagging about my bag, about all the losses we've made. I'm in profit. Done the job. I think the reason why I'm content today. I've been talking about my psychology. You know, everything is about me all the time. Is that I followed the rules. I followed the plan, and I didn't do terrible entries at terrible heights. I did what I was supposed to do. I think that's why I'm content today. So that I try to reach for this kind of stealth mode, and I want you guys to have that too. It doesn't come every day. You have to work for it. But yeah, I have a signal by another source. I think is weird. Yeah, tell me, bro. Tell me, Michael. Yeah, I have shown you parents. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. I didn't have holiday, by the way, because it was for friends and family was over. For family was over. So. But I was actually so exhausted, and by the Sunday came, I kind of grabbed myself together and did a weekly webinar for the paid YouTube members, and for me, that was like, I had to do it. Like, I don't want to complain. Stop complaining, Evan. I don't want to complain. I'm not here to complain. So the rest, no, I think I was too exhausted already before it kind of. But yeah, would have done it better. I don't know what I can do differently. Do less, pay someone else to do my analysis maybe for me, do my weekly forecast for me. How was the weekly forecast, people? How was the weekly forecast, the video on Sunday? How was it? Okay. Yeah, I would buy New Zealand Swissy if it comes back to some kind of reasonable 64.50 level, give or take. Yeah. $98, $97. You're sure it's 98? 198? That is very high. Really? Well, it can't be 98, 97. That's... Well, that's like the target of something. That's like the weekly target. That's... Like, what's that all about, bro? Yeah, I did cover pound dollar already. Yeah, should be you should have an entry, right? You should have an entry on it, and you should be break even or better. Or not, you should have price at break even or better, not stop loss. But yeah, cool. I don't know how many people of you are from Trader Nick live in sessions. Is there anyone from there? I mean, I wouldn't take it, by the way. It's very weird place to have, Michael. It's very weird. But yeah, thank you for sharing it. But Happy Days is from Trader Nick. Okay, cool. I don't know if I asked this question though, but what do you not necessarily what do you want from me? But like what can I serve you with? What can I do, or what can I improve, I guess also, but what can I do for you? What kind of value do you want? Do you want me to do you want is it because of the laughter? Is it because of analysis? Is it because of profits or new ideas, or what's the story? Or because I'm cute? Roll the dice, eh? Okay, so so Fancy World says me, and I guess it was from, you know, being cute. Okay, thank you. Okay, all right. What's going on here, bros? Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I can sing. I like to flirt from different trading styles when watching. Thank you, Happy Day. You're very knowledgeable on Forex, and I'm new beginner, so I always learn a lot from fundamental perspective, especially, which I'm working on. Already, I'm knowledgeable in technical analysis. Yeah, I would agree to that. I would also assume that, because that's kind of the normal thing where people teach themselves technical analysis, and then it's really the fundamentals or the psychology is really the trouble for people. Do you think I close my gold buy? Where did you buy? What's your entry? I watch you because you're fun to watch. Oh, Michael, I can take myself very seriously. Ich bin eine very serious. Michael, have you seen, what is this guy called? Henning Welt? No. Would I lie to you? And then Henning Van. Have you seen this guy? Have you seen Henning Van? He's so funny. He has this most hilarious stories ever. But yeah. So what a lie to you is you're supposed to say like a story, and then the other team is supposed to ask you questions and see if it's true, whatever you're saying. And he has really amazing stories sometimes. Cool. Okay. Should you close your gold buy? That's totally up to you. I can't really make the decision for you. Are you in great loss? That was probably maybe number one. The other one, if you're not in great loss, if you are in a buy, should you hold it? That's totally up to you. Would I hold something if I already have a buy? Of course. Of course. Why would I close a profitable trade? You know, you can't do that. No. Nein. Nicht impossible. Nicht possible. So I would hold on to it if I can. And yeah, do I believe gold is going to go higher? Of course. Of course. As long as Bitcoin is falling, because most of it is falling, gold is going to go higher. But if this Bitcoin rises, okay. But Bitcoin is not nowhere near bullish at the moment. Maybe it's trying to be bullish now, but yeah, you know. Jeez. Why do you sound so German? Nein, I don't sound German. It's because it's me and the Terminator. You know. Oh, okay. No, he's very funny, bro. He's very funny. You bought gold at 1879, so very close to current price. Okay, so just out of in and out of stop loss, in and out of entry. You're not really sure. Is it high? You bought very high at the moment, like what normal would normal. I would at least have a buy entry, waiting for me at 64 and at 53, and saying that if price comes there, I would, that would be great. But other than that, yeah. Is it? Well, I'm not gonna lie though. There is this guy on TikTok that, he was going around on whatever warfare game thing, and it was very nice to be able to give out, like he started playing with people without views that was streaming, or people that like didn't win, they were alone. That sounded like pretty young teenagers, maybe 12 or something. So he was helping them out and like trying to, doing nice things to them or giving them money or whatever he did. But then on his TikTok live streams, I think he was streaming on Twitch, he didn't respond to the comments even. Like, bro, why are you so nice to people on your videos? You're treating people with dignity and respect, and try to help them make a win or whatever. But on your live session, you don't even look at, well, don't look at the TikTok live, and I'm not on Twitch, by the way. So, okay, I can go to Twitch, but why? That's not, I'm not on Twitch for that reason. So, yeah. Do you use trailing stops? I think that's a thing of Trader Nick. No, I don't. I don't know if you mean by trading. Well, I don't actively do that, no. So how would Ivan use stop loss? This is my entry. Okay, I enter here. I put my stop loss below S1, like here. And then when profit goes like 50 pips in profit or whatever, like goes well into profit, I will put it to break even and hold it there. And then I will take profit at the target of the week, kind of a thing. Yeah, that's kind of where I would do, or at the end of the month. So, I would buy here, and target would be here, and this would probably break even. This would probably break even. So as fast as money goes in the money, I will put it so it doesn't go an hour. It's not a day. It's like it's a feeling. I don't have a good reason for it, of when. I probably should have a reason, but no, a rule. But if you have a rule, there's always an exception. So I go by velocity. And how would you know you should be break even in your trading? Now you should be, this entry here. Like, is it likely for price to come back down again? Yes, it is. I don't. If I bought here, then I would be break even right now. If I sold here, I would be definitely be break even. If I sold here, I would definitely be break even. But if I bought here and price went higher, I would definitely be break even by price coming down here again. So for me, yeah, definitely. Where were we? What were we talking about? We were talking about German gold. Yeah, gold. We were talking gold. So 70. Yeah. My knowledge, wish, hope, and dreams says this is going higher, and I might be crushed, but I'm thinking higher. And I would rather wait for price at 64 and rather than taking this one here. Imagine you have 7,000 people talking to you at the same time. You won't. No, but there was only two people. There was only 2 people. 3 viewers on TikTok and I guess some else on his Twitch stream, and he was mostly looking at the Twitch stream. And I didn't realize he was talking to the Twitch stream until I went to Twitch, and I saw him live there. So yeah, cool. Because he was supposed to do some kind of they were supposed to guess how many rubber bands you could put up on a watermelon or something. Very random things. That's apparently like that can give you 10,000 views. Consecutively 10,000 views just by people guessing of how many rubber bands on the watermelon and then see how many it takes for it to burst. Which is a very violent burst. It explodes everywhere. So yeah, I guess that's kind of the thing. New Zealand dollar yen is going higher. That's cool. I think it's a bit tricky to buy down here, and the reason for that is kind of a lower low situation. But yeah, higher low, yeah. It's not very direct. I won't blame you if it didn't. And coming up to here, it's like sell price. Yeah, okay, maybe. So maybe buy this one. But if you didn't, cool, I would take something else instead. Any day of the week. Alright, only 6 likes today? I must have been babbling around then. Sorry for not giving you value. I was on Zoom today for free on my Discord today. If you want to be there, cool. Good, congratulations. And we talked a lot about seasonality. And I told one guy, he's like, what's the issue with seasonality? And the issue with seasonality is you do your research, you get the answers, compare notes with me to confirm that whatever you've been researching is true. The research doesn't take a lot of time, maybe a day max, and you have your buy set forever. Fundamental analysis might take you a long time at the beginning, but it's set for years to come. And you don't just need to watch some news sometimes to make sure that the Fed doesn't say anything new that you need to know about. Other than that, everything is straightforward. So that was a very valuable lesson, and I'm not the guru. I'm not the answer for you. I'm not going to give you the answer either, but I'm very fan of you doing the research. You come to me with the answers, so I can confirm or deny whatever I've done in the research, and then we can compare notes, and then we become experts. And believing fundamental analysis is the most important thing in Forex. I agree totally. How did you discover these Wayne pivot points? Well, that's years ago, bro. I don't know. I was Googling around on YouTube, I guess. I think I was Googling how banks trade. I think I was doing. How banks trade. I think that's what I was doing. How banks are trading. Chief! Boom! How are you, bro? How are you, man? How is the desert? Is it hot today? Is it hot? What else, people? Bullish. Yeah, maybe bullish. It's hot. Yeah. I missed that. 48 degrees. Wow. Mateus Maida says Vasco. I don't know what that means. Maybe that's Spanish, like for high. Deutsche Gusto? No, that's what you say. What do you say? Bueno. No, we don't say bueno. You say Buenos dias? I guess. Buenos dias, senor. That's the only Spanish I can do today. Use the CAD, sell in the sell price. Congratulations, you got your entry. Lower, high. Boom. Bada boom. What's the current stop loss price? Whatever. Yeah, we still have around the same profit margin today. 70 pips on the day. But boom, all my entries have been mentioned in the Discord channel. If you're wondering, just so you know, I can do some self-promoting, saying that, you know, I have mentorship if you want that. It's in the description below. And I have also uploaded some, you know, some something here, you know. That's great. That's in profit on New Zealand. I have uploaded some trade plans here on Euro earlier today. That's in profit that too. I have uploaded some trade plans on Aussie dollar. That's in profit too. And Aussie dollar, yeah. So that's I forgot to do pound. Ah, oh god. Okay. So that's 100% then. Only 27 people saw my New Zealand. 59 people saw my Euro. Come on, people. How do you find me? How do you find me? That's East Call. That's like my thing, you know. So yeah, have a great on that one. And he likes 1 like. Thank you. I think it's actually is who is it? Martinez, not Martinez. Joanna that did it. Can I watch today's Discord live? Okay, I didn't. There, it's not recorded, bro. It's just random. So I don't record it because it can be potentially private information and stuff. So I don't know if people want to be on YouTube or anything. So I don't like record it. I didn't ask either. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't ask. May I ask, where is US oil going to go this week? Yeah, so Sean, how did I discover the way in pivots? I was googling how to trade like banks or stuff like that. So just on YouTube, just looking at where US oil is going. Okay. Mateus Mata just subscribed. Welcome, bro. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the winners. Boom. That's how you do it, bro. Actually, I have to Google what you say that, but I guess. Where's Google Translate faster? I can type with Google. Also engelsk. Thank you. What do you call it? Like, how do you say thank you? It's Portuguese, exactly. Okay, Portuguese. So if you go back to English, thank you. Obrigada. Obrigada, Mateus. Oil is going higher, up to 68.22. If you're a buyer, if you're a seller, you're thinking 60. If you sold at 65, that's definitely a stop loss, and I hate it. If it falls now, whatever. And what else? Yeah, it's very straight. You know, it's very aggressive. There is no pullbacks here. Something like that. Cool. So what would I do? What would it do? What would I even do? I don't know. I wouldn't buy it now. I would just wait for it to do whatever it wants to. I wouldn't. China has reportedly then taken actions to stem commodity access for iron ore, regulating cryptos and mining, etc. Does anyone happen to know the policy changes there regarding precious metal like gold and silver and platinum? Any new thinking or positioning regarding the metals there? I think I posted that in the Discord channel today earlier, and it wasn't, well, it was specified which kind of metals it was talking about. Not that one, apparently. The other one then. Come on, where did I post that one? Or maybe it's in trades. Maybe in trades, trades. Where is it? There it is. Trades. Yeah. Then copy a link. There you are. Cool. So it was steel, iron ore, aluminum, and copper. Also, we saw the reaction in dollar this morning, and it was kind of shocking. This move here was the only news event, and now we have fallen since. So that's kind of the impact of it, and it doesn't seem like the market really is bothered by it. I think we will see dollar bullishness if it was really a large change and really a big problem. So until then, yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, and you know, costlier materials makes China sell less, so it hits their profitability and also their sales. So they of course as a buyer wants to buy as low as possible prices, and Australia wants a higher prices as possible. So those are the two things that where you have two conflicting interests in the same thing to serve their own purpose. I don't know if it's a policy change, but I think it's more like a stance to protect their own interests more than anything else. Does anyone think that gold is gonna fall? Do you think gold is gonna fall? Are you like a gold seller, or have you sold gold for that matter? Or are you thinking gold is gonna go higher? Is there any gold traders left? I know DFI is a gold buyer, by the way, but yeah. Yeah, you don't. Yeah, okay, cool. What else? Yeah, I would do too. I would like gold in July, by the way. But I kind of lost interest. But I should have. No, I shouldn't have. You have a lot of gold ETFs, yeah. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ooh, lovely. I was bad singing, by the way. Sorry. Sorry for you to suffer through that. And yeah, so comes a bit down again, but I don't want to do that. Hoping for higher, hoping for higher. Pound yen. I don't know why I lost my momentum today. I'm gonna be like last year, good throughout July. Yeah, oh, wow, yeah, that was amazing, bro. Damn, yeah, that was amazing. July last year was epic, and for pound yen, I think hopefully we'll go higher, high, higher, low, so we can start buying again. Right now, it's not a higher, high, higher, low. Just wait for it, for it to turn back to 54.20, I guess, 154.20 before taking it up again. So yeah. But yeah. Drink water. I don't have any water to drink. I kind of suffer. Bro, where's my helper? Helper, where's my water? Hardik, where's my helper? Can you please bring my helper? I know he was there. Selling USD is kind of a thing, I guess, to do. Good entry to buy silver now. I don't know, bro. It's kind of in between somewhere. Maybe higher, higher, higher. No, this is waiting where you go higher. Yeah. I guess maybe. I'm not very convinced about it. Do you trade stocks or ETFs? I would say I buy indexes, and then Teddy here helps me buy stocks. So, yeah. Thank Teddy for all his work about that. Thank you. Bringing some profits on the stocks as well. But yeah. Yeah, you did, bro. It's terrible of you, you know. Such a bad unfortunate luck. Aussie Swissy going higher, Euro Swissy going higher, Pound Swissy kind of, I don't know, sometimes go higher. New Zealand Swissy is kind of the best, together with Aussie Swissy. USD Swissy is range. Alright, people. Any other questions? I feel flat today. I don't know why. Somebody give me some boost? You know? Everything is like standard, operating procedure. We did our DXY here. You know, it's going lower, great. Nasdaq going higher, great, buy, whatever. S&P is going higher, okay, great, whatever. Aussie dollar going higher, great, whatever, buy. Euro dollar, same thing. Pound dollar, not so much. New Zealand dollar, buying, going higher. USD CAD going lower, selling it. Cool! Boom! Happy profits, people. Give or take some 70 pips on the day. That's okay. We can wait for London tomorrow and see if we get more. But a bit more than when we started with. Cool. Happy days. So thank you guys for joining in today. I love you, my family. 11 likes today, 21 people watching right now. All great. Tomorrow I am going to be live on Trader Nick's channel, so if you want to be there at whatever 4 p.m. I think it is, 10 a.m. whatever that time is for them. And I need to come up with a good subject. So yeah, having some teachings there tomorrow, and some going through some charts and some thoughts. So yeah, cool. Have a great day. See you tomorrow, and don't do something I don't want to do. Keep your soul happy, sleep well, and come back tomorrow. Boom.